Hi, in this video we are going to see how to format the text in the configuration.xml. So for example, if you see here, right, so there are a lot of lines to describe what is there in this particular Mule configuration file. So for example, you have HTTP listener, you have set variable, API get router, all those stuff. For example, assume you have a lot of code here, okay, so which is not formatted correctly. So for example, I'm just copying this content and I'm trying to set some variable, and this I will ignore it because I'm just trying to copy that, and then it is using the same name, so that is why that warning is coming. So either I can give yes or no for this one. Assume your text, right, it's not formatted correctly. For example, when you paste it or when you type it, right, so it is like this format, okay, but it's not more readable, okay. So for example, you wanted to format it, then how do you do it, right? So for example, this is a content. If you look at this content and you have a HTTP listener, inside HTTP listener you have HTTP response, and then set variable starting from here, and something is starting in here, and this set variable starting from the beginning, and this is at the mid, right? So if you wanted to format this particular text, what exactly you have to do is you have to give this command control shift and F. So you have to press at the same time control button and shift button and also F. So what I'll do, I'll just go to configuration XML, and you see the content now, and you also see the formatting here, and I'm just pressing control shift and I'm going to press F now. See here, I just pressed F, and the content, everything is formatted and it is easily readable, and everything in the same indenting it is there. So if you look at the content now, it's more readable. So HTTP listener starting here and it's ending here, and HTTP response starting here and ending here. So likewise, right, you are also able to see where set variable is there and where is the next set variable is there, and when you go through, right, this entire code is more readable now. How we did is, so we have just pressed control shift F, which is formatting this configuration.xml file. Thank you.